I have noticed from since 10 years.
We are not here to provoke anything, but we are here.
So let them walk.
Let them walk. Yeah.
Let them walk.
Let them
Okay,
walk.
let them walk.
Yeah, we have
You
to.
control your own people.
Yes.
You don't make any
No need
trouble.
to stop the walk. Let them continue their walk. That is not only for the benefit of the Karbi, no.
Can I
That
ask
is
one question?
all for the Meghalaya and the
Can I ask one
Karbi.
question?
Yeah.
On that time, when the government of Meghalaya, they supposed
No.
No, this is the embassy.
Yes, you know very well. It's for about the border. No need to discuss. Yes.
we are not
That about the border, let them discuss the both sides of the government.
Yes.
But we the public to maintain peace and harmony. So let them continue their work. That only. No need to think. Hey, you too, my brother. He's also. He also. Listen, no. Oh.
कैमरा सबसे खराब है यही आग लगाता है. Let them know
Think
about
about our
border
people.
matters today.
Think about
Yes,
our
that's why
people.
we're waiting.
Now we have peace.
We need to
Now
call
we have
for
a
the
peace.
development.
No disturbance in our
आप
area.
कैसा कैमरा हो?
Oh, no disturbance. No
Since the
disturbance.
meeting also, brother, since we have discussed if any new implementation of any scheme,
At the time,
mutual
no.
understanding should be there.
At the last
Before the
meeting,
government. That's the last.
At the last meeting, at the last meeting, 16th April 2024. At the time, we have discussed already. If any development from the Meghalaya and the Assam, let them continue, let them walk, even from the Meghalaya, even from the Karbi Anglong.
why
We
do
the
you stop
public,
here? Why do
no,
you
no, no.
stop
We
here?
from the public, from the
Why do you
Khanduli
stop
or
here
from here, no need to disturb. We discuss about, we have regulation already.
Yes.
Yes, till now we have a registration. Okay, so let them continue their work. You should not disturb, because roads we need for all the people.
So why did you stop?
No need at the time we know about how much kilometer they are starting. How much kilometer they are starting from
Now there
Umulong.
is no specific demarcation.
Actually we have to walk from Hamren to Khanduli BOP. How many kilometers? There is 37 kilometers, but now only 35 kilometers. Now only 150 meters. So no need to disturb, because we are the friend. You are my brother. We have to think about. We have to think for our people also. Not only for you, for me.
If you understand before, then
We understand very well.
should not be stopped here now before.
How many kilometers they are starting from Umulong up to?
0 point.
A lot kilometer. From there.
There's no specific
Em boy đấy khi là em gặp bất khả bay bay ông này boy ai auri đấy đi auri mà thân được lúc khi ấy hè thì bay bay em đi auri le in kreki in legi om kene bhag ni ko surok de tor du ka bhag du ki Karbi tor du ka bhag ni puli kini ko waro ki jai tor mo in kreki no yu khi auri ko ni mo lang sikate auri ya cho ya dat his name I yore ya la ya one that du ka bahang ni khatiap ka iya pen study in kreki no Tore, 40 kilometer wastang ki to kajing sakhet to sangai ki hai Assam BOP. You make objection. Hadu ko chini de ilam yo sa de stop. Berkhat ye ki pai ba yong ki, berkhat ki pai ba yong ki ne phak ki pai ba le ku bru. Pai ba yong ile. Tere mo, boya mai na. Dawasdang li de de ye tho ye tari. De ye tho ide. Nang boy penyuri star mo. Boy tere no. Eh,